We need to get to the car.
Hey, hold on. We're not gonna make it. It's too close.
We can use the trees. The trees. We'll keep some cover.
What's the hell is this? Is this your tail wheel?
It's freaking
Raining.
I've never seen rain on lake before.
That's a storm. Look at that wind. Are you recording? Record the wind.
I'm recording.
Okay.
My phone is getting sprinkled. What? Oh. How? Oh, my sunglasses are wet. My sunglasses are wet. Now my beach just clean my screen. Oh my god. This is freaking heavy rain. Y'all okay? I'm getting out of here. How? That's just the wind. Now I really would. Okay. Bye. I'll continue recording in a bit. Okay. I'm gonna run to the car. 3, 2, 1, 0. It's flooded. Okay, where's the path? Where's the path? Oh, it's on a flood! Oh no. Okay, how do we get back? Oh wait, I think it's this way. Okay, I think I know where I'm going. My phone's gonna be drenched after this. I got here. Oh my god, my phone. My phone's wet. I think, but David, I don't know what they want.
So everybody stay over there?
Yes. Okay, how do I dry my phone?
Hey, stay right there. Do not go to the car.
Okay.
Grab something. I'm gonna pay for it.
Okay. I do not know. How do I dry my phone? I don't know, David. Something wrong with the camera? No, it's working perfectly fine, like it's waterproof. But It's gonna go out at some point.
Hey, stay here. Can you hold my phone? Or put it inside a backpack?
Everything. Now that's a rainstorm.
Stay right here. Do not go outside.
Bye. Just you and me, Logan. Of course, Mexico has this freaking heavy rain.